In this video, I'm going to tell you about what is prototype in JavaScript. So, JavaScript is a prototype-based language, okay? And meaning object properties and methods can be shared through generalized object that has the ability to be cloned or extended. This is known as prototypical inheritance, different from the class inheritance. So, what's the meaning of that? Like, prototype has a special property of every object in JavaScript, by which we can actually inherit its property, or we can add our property to that object. So there is object prototype, which is on top of the every prototype. Okay, we can't change their prototype. Rest everything we can change it. Let me share my screen and I will show you how we can do that. This is a plain object. Here what I'm doing is I'm creating instance for person one and invoking say hello. But there is no say hello in this object. In this constructor, there is no property. So what I'm doing is I'm injecting our property. We are setting our property to that person. Person dot prototype dot say hello. This is a function here which is calling, which is actually console a string hello and his name, what we pass in our object. So this is implicitly everything is happening here. But what if we have to change in our constructor? So let me show you here. This is our constructor. There are three method. There are three properties: name, age, and gender. And we are creating object for my father, and we are consoling a string here. So name age is in our properties, but there is no city in our constructor. So what it is happening here is like person dot prototype in city. Actually, JavaScript first check into its constructor or in its object first. After that, there is maybe you they don't like they don't find the property, so it checks after prototype. So what here it is, we are setting it to our object city property. So that's why we don't find any error here. We show you my father name is Mike and 52 years old and he lives in England. That's the actual output. In this video, you what you learned is what is prototype, how we can achieve constructor inheritance, and how we can use it in our plain object. Here explicitly we are using prototype. Here inside plain object it is less explicitly, but everywhere prototype is using in JavaScript. That's all about prototype here, and let's see in the next video.